Hello all. Today I'm going to start basic Python for beginners. So let's get started. Today in this video I will only cover theory part because before starting Python you should have basic knowledge about what is Python, why we are using Python, all this. So Python is a popular programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages nowadays. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. You should have basic idea who created Python, and it is released in 1991 like this. So Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Like we can use Python for multi purposes, like nowadays Python is used everywhere in AI, data science, and Python become core language nowadays. So it's very essential for beginners to have basic knowledge of Python. Python is also a dynamic language. Now coming to why we are using Python. So Python is simple and easy to learn. Like codes in Python are pretty much easier as compared to C++ and Java. So we need not to learn so many complex codes in Python. Therefore it is simple and easy to learn. Like second point, platform independent. So Python is platform independent. Like Java, we have Java virtual machine, and that only we can run our Java programs, but in Python it is completely platform independent. Free and open source, like anyone can use, and it is free. Interpreted language, uh, we have two types of languages: compiled and interpreted. Interpreted means codes in Python are interpreted line by line. Like if you have written one code, and if that code have an error now, it will show at that time only. That is interpreted. Rich library support. Python has largest library support. Then embedded and extensible. It is embedded and extensible also. Portable, robust, versatile, and easy to download and install. Like we can easily install and download Python compiler, all this. We are now coming to our next point, where Python used. So Python is used almost everywhere nowadays. So some of the applications or use cases are: first, web frameworks and applications, GUI, graphical user interface, graphics design, image processing applications, games and scientific computational applications, machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural network. These are the core areas where Python used. So this is the basic introduction. If you want to take screenshot, you can take, or you can pause the video and write all the notes. Coming to our next point, variables, and from here we are starting our practical part also, variables in Python. So before writing code or before starting on machine, you should know about little bit theory of what you are coding. So variables can be defined as: variables are used to store and manage data. Like for example, variable. What is variable? Variable can be defined, or variables are used to store and manage data. Like for example, I can take, my name is Ayushi. So I want to store it somewhere. So I have to make a variable for name Ayushi. Okay, here are some rules. Like variable name must start with a letter or the underscore. Like variable name can be start with a letter or underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 are not allowed at the starting of the variable. Variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Alphanumeric like combination of alphabets and numbers. So here are some example like value 1. It is correct because our variable is starting with alphabet. 1, well, it's not correct because we have our our third point says that a variable name cannot be start with a number. So we can include underscore also. We can start with underscore like this. And variable names are case sensitive. It means if you have made a variable name with capital N and small, it will be different. Then name with a small n, it will be different, and all the alphabets are capital, it will be different. Case sensitive, if you are using a small letter for one variable name and same name with capital letter with another variable, it will be considered as different variable names. Then variable name cannot be any Python keyword. Like we will study about what is Python keywords later on. So for now you should only remember like variable name cannot be any Python keywords. And we have total keywords in Python, that is 32. We will study about Python keywords later in our session. For now I can just introduce with keyword. Like I can give a brief intro about Python keywords. Like we have our English dictionary and we have 1,000 of words in it, and that word have a specific meaning in our English language. So same as Python have so many keywords in it that are already defined and that have predefined meaning. We cannot change its meaning and we cannot use them as our variable name. Our second point is tokens. So token can be considered as the smallest element or smallest unit of any program. So types of token, or we can say token include keywords, variable, constant, literals, identifier, operator. So we will discuss all of these one by one. So it's our first class, so I'm just giving basic introduction. Next class onwards I will start Python slowly, and it is just for beginners only, because you can take notes or screenshot of this and can make notes. We will study each and every topic one by one very nicely and very slowly. For those who are not able to understand Python and those who are willing to learn Python, they can start with me. Have confidence, you can. Okay, bye.